If you're worried about your mortgage payments with current high interest rates and the rising cost of living, then listen up. You're not alone, because there's a lot of people in the UK at the minute facing a similar situation. There's even one lender today reporting that the arrears on their books are up a quarter. But there's a little bit of good news though. The Mortgage Charter is a set of measures that around 90% of lenders have agreed with the UK government and the FCA to help borrowers that are starting to struggle to meet their mortgage payments. And here's what they've agreed to do. They'll offer tailored support for anyone struggling to meet their payments by extending their mortgage term or allowing you to switch onto interest only for 6 months. But you've got to be up to date with your current mortgage payments in order to do this. And don't worry, they won't do any new affordability checks, and apparently it won't affect your credit rating either. But just remember, if you do extend the mortgage term, then overall you're going to be paying a lot more interest. And if you go on to an interest-only mortgage of 6 months, the balance is not going to reduce at all. The other thing they're doing is anyone that's coming to the end of their fixed rate can lock in a new deal up to 6 months before the current rate is due to expire. That might be a good option and allow you to hedge your bets. And if rates do come down between now and when your rate is due up, then you may be allowed to cancel that one and go on to a new lower rate. So if you're finding yourself having difficulty in your mortgage payments, the first thing to do is speak to your lender. Just call them up and ask about the Mortgage Charter, or Google the Mortgage Charter and the name of your lender.